There are several features on your TI-83 or 84 that you may not be familiar with yet. First, the on and off buttons are here. To turn the calculator off, notice that the word off is written in blue. You must click the second button, which on my calculator is also blue, before hitting on to make it turn off. Second, on will turn it off. Just on will turn it back on. Here are your basic operator keys: plus, minus, multiply, divide. Here's your enter key. Notice this key down here. This is for negatives. This is not the same on this calculator as minus. For example, you probably know that -4 times -4 will equal a positive 16 because a negative times a negative is positive. So you probably know that -4 squared is also equal to 16. But what about this? Why did that happen? Your calculator views that negative as basically -1 times whatever number you want negated. So this has to be in parentheses if you want to get the right answer when squaring a negative number on this calculator. Let's try something else. Suppose you want 6 minus 4. Clearly, using this subtraction button works quite well. What happens if you go 6 negative 4? Uh-oh, now it's upset. You have a choice of either quitting or choosing go to. If you hit the go to by either arrowing down to it and hitting enter or hitting 2, it will flash on where it's having a problem with the syntax. Here, you're saying 6, nothing, no operator, then -1 times 4. It doesn't know what you're talking about. You have to use the minus if you mean subtract. If you're going a negative number minus a number, you could do this. -2 minus 2. What will that be? -4. What about -2 minus a -2? Bet it's not -4 anymore. It's 0. That's how you have to use the negative. Another fun button is the caret. Sometimes you have to raise a number to a power that isn't 2. It's not squared. Suppose you have to take 4 to the 5th power. This caret will show you where the exponent's going to be. 4 to the 5th power. Hit enter. There's your answer. Another great button on here is the square root button, which also has a squared button. What if you need to know what the square root of, what would be nice? How about 144? You wanted to find the square root of this number. You would have to first hit second, let's go enter first. Ooh, that's nice. Second, square root, then 144. It's best to close your parenthesis after that, then hit enter. Now it has given you the positive square root. Is there another one?